Cost accounting in Oracle Cloud. Hi, I'm Linus, and in today's video you will learn how you can easily review your inventory valuation in Oracle Cloud's cost accounting. So let's get right into it. I'm in a demo environment, and this time not as Casey Brown but as one of the users that I created for my own legal entity. The reason that I don't want to show this in US operations is because there is so much demonstration data in there that it would take 4 hours to create the inventory valuation. So here I'm going in there because we have less data, going into cost accounting to the task panel on the right side, and then click down here on review inventory valuation. Here you gotta enter some information. Is it a primary book? Yes it is. And then most important, the period that you're checking for. I want to select May 24. Again, this is just demo environment data. That's why we have so much going on there. From my experience, I know that this won't work either. I gotta select this manually. And now I can search for that period. And then you get your inventory value and some additional information down here. Please note, very important, the last cost processor run date that I had here is some days ago. It's even 2 weeks ago, I think. So that is usually not acceptable. If you really want to see your inventory valuation, you want to run your run control before that, and don't forget to check the 5th box to create your reports. Alternatively, you can also check this number from your overview board because it has the information here as soon as you run the process. Now that you know how to see your inventory valuation, what would happen to that valuation if we change the cost of a transaction? It would change too, right? That's what we're going to cover in the next video, how to change the cost of a transaction if somebody, for example, fat-fingered and put some wrong data into the system. So make sure to watch the next video of this free course here on Panameer.com. And as always, if you need my personalized help, feel free to reach out to me directly using the link below.